Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Whispersync on Amazon Kindle 11. This is the feature that lets you read the same books on different devices, like for example your smartphone and your Kindle, and then have them synchronized automatically in the cloud. So for example, if we open a book on our smartphone, and then start reading the book, and then leave at some page, we'll be able to synchronize our Kindle by swiping down the control center and tapping sync. Then you're gonna have to wait until your Kindle is synced, and then after you re-enter the book that you finished reading on your smartphone, you'll get a notification that will let you go to the location where you finished reading on your smartphone. And this synchronization happens automatically if you are signed into the same Amazon account both on your smartphone and on your Kindle. And on your smartphone you have to use the Kindle application for the synchronization to work as well. This Kindle application is available in Google Play Store or in App Store if you are using an iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.